What is a box truck? Hi, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing what a box truck is. If you're in the trucking industry or considering a career as a truck driver, you may have come across the term box truck. But what does it mean and why is it important? Before we answer those questions, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important trucking topics. A box truck, also known as a cube truck, is a type of truck that has an enclosed cargo area or box that's separate from the cab. The cargo area is typically rectangular in shape and is used to transport goods or equipment. Box trucks come in various sizes and capacities, ranging from small vans to large trucks. The cargo area of a box truck can range from 10 feet to 26 feet in length. The size of the truck will determine its payload capacity, which is the weight of the cargo that it can carry. Box trucks are commonly used for commercial purposes, such as delivering goods to retail stores or transporting equipment for businesses. They're also operated by moving companies and rental truck companies for transporting household items or furniture. Additionally, box trucks are often used by food vendors and catering companies to transport food and supplies to events. Box trucks come equipped with various features that make them ideal for transporting cargo. Some models come with a liftgate, which is a hydraulic platform that lifts and lowers heavy items into and out of the cargo area. Other features include rear-view cameras, GPS tracking, and air conditioning for the driver's comfort. To operate a box truck, a commercial driver's license, commonly referred to as a CDL, is usually required. The driver must also have liability insurance to cover any damage or accidents that may occur during transport. By understanding the features and licensing requirements of box trucks, you can make informed decisions about your career as a truck driver. If you need access to the best box truck licensing and registration solutions in the nation, the experts at FMCSAregistration.com, we are standing by to assist you. Our third-party organization can supply registration for your box truck ASAP. To get started, please call us right now at 866-477-0707. Also, have you driven a box truck for commercial purposes before? If so, how was your experience? Drop a comment below and let us know. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit drivers and carriers. Thanks so much for watching and take care.